passport to pretty.
Next, hurry up. We don't have all day.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Where are you coming back from?
I just got back from Paris, one of my favorite cities in the world.
Okay.
Yes, give it up for Paris. Thank you very much.
What do you have to declare?
I'm actually bringing back my cellar water. See, people in Paris have been using this for years, but it's just now becoming popular in the States.
Oh, really? Oh, well, let me see.
Yeah. Oh, no, girl, it's not for drinking.
You gonna let me drink it?
No, I didn't know where you were going with this. It's actually essentially water with itty-bitty balls of cleansing oil inside. You just put a little bit of it on a cotton pad or like a wipe to clean your skin. You don't even have to rinse your face after. How cool is that? It's great for traveling.
Oh, wow.
Like some people use it as a facial wash, makeup remover, and a moisturizer all in one. This product is great for vacationing or even when you're camping because you don't need running water to clean your face.
Wow, that is really nice.
I know, thank you so much.
But I'm not sure I can let you pass through with this, so I'll take this straight to my house.
Oh.
Here you go. Thank you. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage, bon voyage.
Hello, ma'am. Come on, step on up. State your name, country you returning from.
Hi, I'm Tamara Maury Housley, and I've just returned from Sierra Leone in Africa.
All right, you ain't got to brag. All right, let's see. All right, you declaring anything?
Oh, yes. Check out this cool bar of African black soap.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, that's a good look right there. Black soap. I like that. Power to the people. All right.
No, I'm telling you, this stuff is great. It's been used in Africa for centuries to fade skin blemishes, soothe dry and irritated skin, exfoliate dead skin cells, and cleanse deep down in your pores to eliminate blackheads. It's packed with good stuff like pomash, plantain extract, shea butter, and vitamins A and E.
Ooh, all of that sounds really, really great.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to be able to let you take it through today. I'm sorry. I'm just doing my job, ma'am, okay? This is right up my alley.
Oh,
There you go. There you go.
thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Wow.
Hi.
Goodness.
Hi.
Same passport. Where you coming from?
I'm Jeannie Mai, and I'm coming back from Japan. It was the best trip ever. It was so much fun. It was gorgeous. And I'm gonna declare this mini brush, this mini scalp brush that I have. Hold on, I know.
Is this you? Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you
All
like?
right.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't have makeup on in that picture.
Yeah, I can tell. All right.
Well, anyway, this brush is designed to clean and massage the scalp while shampooing. The nylon bristles promote circulation and remove buildup with excess oils that are way better than doing it with your fingers. And it's also great for detangling the hair, which mine gets like that after traveling. And blow drying makes it really easy too. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
That in Japan.
Nice looking brush.
I know.
Now, my apologies, but this is a violation of code 12345 elemental P, and you won't be able to take this home today, okay?
What?
But I can.
Hey.
Keep it rolling, sister. There you go. Welcome to America. Well, talk about a passport to pretty. Not bad for a day's work. Lucky for you, you don't have to go out of the country to get your hands on these global products. Just head over to your local beauty store to pick them up. Now, I'll take a quick break, but I do declare we'll be right back with more of the real.